Next, we will detail the quick disassembly and assembly process for the 18 series machines. First, raise the arm to 30 cm above the ground. Let's take a look at the overall removal and installation process of the main machine accessories. The details of how to do this will be described in more detail later in the video. First, open the three-way stop valve. Take the safety pin. Get on the machine and open the robotic gripper. Prepare 15mm and 30mm socket wrenches from the toolbox. Tighten the retaining rods on both sides of the ends. Secure the accessory kit to the front section of the camera head in a position that maintains a loose, but not dislodged, position. Then just open the mechanical gripper. The last step is to turn off the sun-way shut-off valve, so that the hydraulic fluid to the mechanical gripper is off. Installation of other auxiliary equipment in the same process is the same and will not be described too much.